So Insta360 has released a new accessory that's called Xplorer Grip Kit. And this thing in here can transform your Ace Pro 2 into a traditional point-and-shoot camera. So if you like to hold the camera in your hand and you don't plan to take any selfie stick or tripod with you, you just want to keep things simple, then this accessory gonna be ideal for traveling or vlogging. So inside of this package there are quite a lot of accessories inside. Just see it for yourself. So what you get inside is a utility frame, but I prefer to call it a camera cage. You also get a solid camera grip that you can attach to the frame with a screw. There's also a huge shutter button that you can attach to the cold shoe mount. You also get a pretty thick lanyard that you can wrap around your wrist. And lastly, a very small accessory that you can attach to the cold shoe mount of your shutter button for purely aesthetic reasons. Now, let me show you how to put it all together. So what's important to know is that the camera cage allows you to mount some external accessories to it, such as a microphone or LED light, all thanks to the cold shoe mount that's at the top of it. The cage also provides a full body protection, especially on the sides as well as on the corners. So if you hit it into something, you might reduce the impact, and if you add a screen protector at the back, it's basically gonna be indestructible. Now, notice that on the left side of it, there's a big grip to hold on to. And this way, when you hold it in your hands, you won't accidentally cover the lens with your fingers. So basically, with the camera grip, you have more space on the camera to hold on to with your hands for a more steady shot. And there's also a huge shutter button that imitates a classic camera experience. It's optional, you don't have to use it, but because it's so big, it's very easy to find and press it. You don't have to search for a tiny button in here, so taking photos or selfies just feels better. It also comes with a thick wrist strap, so even if you drop it out of your hand, it's not gonna fall on the ground, so you have that extra peace of mind. Though I feel like that strap is a bit short and sometimes it just might get in the way because of that, so you may want to use something else. Other than that, you have a clear access to the microSD card and USB port, so you can charge your camera without removing it from the cage. And the best part about it is if you don't plan to use it, you can quickly remove your camera from it. So in this setup, Ace Pro 2 is like a typical point-and-shoot camera, where you just want to take some casual shots here and there. You don't want to take a selfie stick with you or a tripod. You just throw it into your bag or your pocket and you keep things simple. But you can also make some adjustments to this setup. For example, you can remove the grip and the shutter button. So this way, you only have a tough cage. In this configuration, you have a clear access to the battery door, so you can remove your battery, and that was not possible with the previous setup. But now that the grip is gone, you have some new mounting options on the side. So you can use a quick release mount to the bottom of the camera or attach it to the side and record vertically for social media. But apart from that, there's also a 1/4-inch thread in here, so you can mount a tripod to it, which can make it easy for you to capture content for social media. Though I must admit that this setup in here is pretty heavy. You see, Ace Pro 2 on its own weighs around 182 grams, which is already quite a lot for an action camera. And with the cage itself, it's now 257 grams. Add the grip, shutter button and a lanyard to it, and it's now 442 grams. Well, I think it's quite a lot, and you can definitely feel it in your pocket. So Insta360 Xplorer Grip Kit is pretty expensive, as it costs around $85 on official Insta360 website. But the overall build quality of this product is really good. So if you want to turn your Ace Pro 2 into a point and shoot camera, then it might be something interesting for you. So there are definitely some pros and cons to this accessory that you simply have to consider before you purchase it. Basically, if you like taking photos, selfies and record some simple casual videos without carrying around extra gear with you, then this accessory is gonna be interesting for you. On the other hand, if you want to mount the camera to your body and record some purely action shots, then this accessory is not gonna be for you. It's mostly designed for traveling and vlogging. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.